Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to share with you very beautiful and stylish latex leather outfits for men. All of these designs are so beautiful, stylish and trendy. So friends, I must suggest you watch this video till the end. My dear friends, if you want to buy these beautiful and stylish outfits online, I will tell you the websites from where you can easily buy these outfits online. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. So my dear friends, you can buy these outfits from amazon.com, etsy.com and aliexpress.com. All these websites are very famous and you can buy all the latest variety of fashion. Thanks for watching. See you soon.